Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yes, similar to Bitcoin, there is not too much to update since yesterday's video. In my opinion, we are still here. We're still in this wave 2. Ideal scenario would be really this A wave, the B wave and the C wave. Yes, B could already be in here with a sell-off coming in C directly. But I would need to see a break of 1790 to confirm this swing low that was made on Wednesday. Then I would think we are in the C wave already. So basically like that, A wave down, B wave, and then C wave down. But for now, I think there is a good chance to get that higher the higher B wave. I don't necessarily, to be honest, I don't necessarily think this is going to unfold as an A, B, C structure. This move up is just too choppy, but it could play out as a W, X, Y. Yeah, I still leave it on the chart like that because this is just doesn't make too much of a difference. Because again, the subwave structures in corrections are extremely difficult to. Well, it's not that they are difficult to forecast. It's basically you don't know that you know that in corrections the subwave structures are going to morph. What is important is to be aware of the key reversal points. We certainly have here resistance for the high B wave at $2,067. Now a B wave can of course go higher. You even get overshooting B waves, but it is the first line, I would say the first line of resistance for that B wave here that we can pay attention to. And for me at the moment, primarily the question is, are we already in the C wave to the downside, which absolutely is possible. There was some weakness towards the end of the trading day yesterday, and also the Asian hours were not able to push the market much higher. So we have a little bit of a double top here on the micro level. And in my opinion, we just need to be ready for another drop coming, possibly all the way down to 1533. It shouldn't really go lower in this particular scenario. If it does, we have to change the scenario. But for me, 1533 is relevant support here on this chart for this wave 2. Now remember, we've been talking about this A, B, C structure. The question is just, is the B wave already finished? It would be quite a weak B wave if B is already finished. But yeah, we can debate and discuss all day around, how does this B wave unfold? Because in the end, especially the B wave just does what it wants. It's plain and simple. Good knowledge here. Elliott Wave gives us really good knowledge about this and a bit of a warning that, we are in a B wave, so just be a bit careful, okay? Because again, I can show you the example. A B wave can unfold like this. It could be finished and we come down. The B wave could also unfold higher as an extended B wave, A, B, C in wave B, higher B wave. Or, and this is where it's getting difficult at the moment, maybe we have a triangle in B, yeah? A, B, C, D, E. And this would be the B wave, and then we sell off. So this is where it's going to get really difficult here. Especially if anybody wants to trade every single wave, this is easier in impulses and basically extremely difficult in corrections, especially in a B wave. So the situation is unchanged. Above 2067, I would start to consider a direct breakout in a third wave. Basically, that wave 2 is already finished, but this is not my primary view at the moment. Yeah, so I would not primarily look at this wave 2 finished already. It's possible, yes, but the move up was not really wave 3 material. Yeah, it's not really wave 3 material yet, so I cannot really consider that too much, and it doesn't make sense. I don't really have the direct breakout setup. I don't really have the impulsive structure I need here to consider that wave 3 is already in the making. But still, from a Fibonacci point of view, especially as resistance then would be broken, I would have to consider it then. It's of course possible. In the end, anything is possible in markets. It's not a question about what could happen. The analysis purely shows what should happen, yeah? And obviously what can't be predicted needs to be managed with tactics. Just need to emphasize that again and again, that of course technical analysis is not a replacement for for trading skills. Yeah, the same way as a good tool is not going to allow you alone to build a house. You know, it's the skill around it that you need. But yeah, again, a B wave can also go a little higher, but we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. At the moment, this is sort of what I'm looking at. Movements are choppy, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Makes it very unclear and gives a lot of room for interpretations, which is something that a trader can use to build their plan around it. For example, it could mean just sort of size down, be careful at the moment. It's not the time to be overly aggressive, at least sort of some food for thought here. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.